Welcome to the Intelligent Digital Library tutorial, partnered with Knowledge E Odilo. Knowledge E Database or Odilo is the leading provider of the platform for reading habit development and reading and writing advancement, and it's also considered by many as the Netflix for education. It houses ebooks, audiobooks, videos, magazines, databases, and educational tools, all that you can utilize in our digital library. First, type knowledgeumac.odilo.us and it will redirect you to the website's homepage. As you can see here, there are different banners on our digital library. When we scroll down, we can see here different carousels for different college and University of Makati. Next is for you to create your account. Just click on the sign up icon on the top right corner of your screen. Just type in your user ID, your full name, your password, and lastly, your email. Once done, you can confirm your account through your email account. Once you've confirmed and created your account, you can now log in to our digital library. Just type in your user ID and your password, and now you can access the full features of our digital library. Next, I will now show you how to use the search feature on our digital library. On the top right corner of the screen, there is a magnifying glass and you just need to click on it. Just click on the Browse Full Catalog and the digital library will show you how many collections you can use. As you can see here, there are 18,069 results with ebooks, audiobook, educational bill, videos, databases, magazines, and public list. We can also filter the total collections by the availability of the resources. Next is we can filter them by publisher. For example, once you click on Gales Engage Learning, it will only show the collection of that publisher. Next is the author filter where you can filter your search on a particular author. Next is the topic filter. For example, we're going to use humanities. And as you can see here, there are different books pertaining to humanities. Once you select that filter, the publishers and author will change due to the topic filter. Moving on is the publication year filter. 2020 has 1,817, while 2019 has 2,589, and so on. Next is how to search a ebook in our digital library. First, you have to click on the magnifying glass, then type in the subject or title of the book that you are trying to search. Once you've searched a book, just click on the book cover and it will redirect you to the book contents. The book contents contain the title, author. You can also rate the book by stars, add them to your favorites, create a list or digital shelves, share them through different platforms, and lastly, report them if they have any problems. There is also a summary of the book. Below the summary are the publishers, the audience, the publication year, and also the language. Once you've read the contents of the ebook, you can now click on the borrow icon and you've now borrowed your first ebook. You can now click on the read icon and it will redirect you to our online reader named New Breeder. The first page of the book is its title cover. By clicking on the right arrow key, you can turn its pages. Next is the features of New Breeder. On the top right corner, you will see different feature icons. First is the text-to-speech. A automated recording will play and read out the book contents. Next is the search feature. Here you can search any word inside the ebook. There is also left and right arrow keys for you to navigate in different pages with the word you've searched. Next feature is the bookmark feature. Just click on the bookmark icon and you can now go back to the page whenever you stop or read something else. Next is the full screen feature. Click on the full screen icon to place the ebook into full screen. There are also more features in the features menu. Click on the last icon and it will show you the features of New Reader. First are the chapter features, where you can choose which chapters you want to start reading. Moving on, you can also check the bookmarks and notes feature for you to check them. The next feature is the statistics feature, where you can see the first time you read the book, your reading time, the pages you've read, and lastly, the pages or hours you've spent. Next is the reading history. It will show you how many percent you've spent on a certain chapter. Next feature is the offline reading. Once you click on it, it will ask you to download the plugin to your browser. Click install and it will redirect you to a Chrome store, then just click install plugin. And now you can download the ebook and use it offline. To read it in offline mode, you need to have no access to your internet. And just click on the plugin icon in your browser. Click ebook offline reader and it will redirect you to the offline reader. Next feature is the readability feature. Here, you can change the font style, font size, line spacing, background color, and the page columns. Last feature is the voice control feature. Just enable your microphone and say the keywords provided by New Reader and it will automatically activate the text-to-speech feature. Play.
About the reviewer, Mundar Jog is an expert IT trainer with over 15 years of training experience. He is an expert with technologies such as Java, Spring, Hibernate, and Android.